Allow stock honest review watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They think all stock photo sites are the same, but Allow stands out with its massive library of over 300 million images and editorial content. Allow offers high-resolution photos, vectors, illustrations, and videos for commercial and editorial use. One standout feature is diversity. The platform hosts images from photographers around the world, including rare or niche content that isn't available on mainstream stock sites. Most people assume licensing is complicated. The surprising truth is Allow offers clear licenses for commercial and editorial use, and contributors get fair royalties, which keeps the quality high. You can even buy extended licenses for advertising campaigns or print runs. Another advantage is search functionality. You can filter by orientation, resolution, color, and location. Allow also offers collections curated by trends, making it easy to find professional visuals quickly. However, some premium images can be more expensive than competitors, so casual users may prefer lower-cost alternatives. The breadth of the library, though, makes it ideal for agencies and creative professionals. If you need high-quality, diverse, and unique stock imagery for professional projects, Allow is worth checking out. Subscribe for more honest reviews of stock photo services.